Hi everyone, Brenton here and welcome to my vlog where we look at the different sections of a health and safety management system. In this vlog we're going to look at emergency management. Now I have written a blog about this before and kind of wanted to reiterate a few bits and pieces. And August is a great time to sit down and review your emergency management procedures. Now generally when we think about emergency management, most of us automatically think about fire drills. Now there's a lot more to it than just fire drills. We really need to take into consideration all sorts of emergencies that we may face. Fire drills being one of them, civil defence emergencies being another, and depending on your industry there could be a few others that you really need to consider. Then we need to really also take our time and consider our task-specific emergency procedures. Now quite often we may choose to want to ignore these because they're not the sort of things we want to think about. All too often we're so worried about prevention rather than worried about, well, what if? So really important not only to consider your general emergencies, but really important to take the time to look at all the tasks within your organization and consider the task-specific emergency procedures. Now, depending on your industry and the type of work that you do, you may also then want to consider crisis management and potentially a business continuity plan. It's really important that when the unthinkable happens, we're prepared and we're ready to do it. Now it's not only about having these procedures documented and stuffed away somewhere, it's really important we practice these and prepare for these in the event that they do occur. Prevention is great, but if we're not prepared for when it does happen or does go wrong, then it's going to make it even more challenging. So I challenge you to get out there, not only conduct your fire drills as you're required to do, but get out there and mix it up a little bit. Try different emergencies. Practice for a civil defence emergency. Heaven forbid, practice for a task-specific emergency. Really good opportunity to check that you've got everything in place, all the equipment you need, and people are prepared to do what they need to do to get you back up and running as quickly as we can. So there we go. Take this time to review your emergency management procedures and make sure we keep operating as best we can. Till the next time, take care.